In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English Term 2, Unit 2, Sports. I think you all like sports, isn't it? Yes. Here the girl says, Karate makes me brave and bold. Would you like to learn it? Yes, we have to learn Karate to protect us. The strength in his weakness. Before getting to the lesson, let us see some words and their meanings. Passion, strong emotion. Inspiration, mentally stimulated to do something creative. Judo, a sport where one tries to unbalance the opponents by using arms and legs. Astonished, stunned. Wondered, surprised. Excel, exceptionally good. Ridiculed, teased. Annoyed, worried. Contenders, participants. Let us get into the lesson now. The strength in his weakness. Agilan was an active and energetic boy. He liked sports as much as studies. They were like his eyes. How could he choose one over the other? He had a passion for sports. So he spent most of his evenings in the playground. He also remembered his father's words, learn well, live well. So Agilan used to spend his mornings on studies. His physical education teacher was his inspiration. The teacher was good at judo. His passion for learning judo grew every day. He was afraid that his interest in judo would upset his parents. Finally, one day Agilan told his parents about his passion for judo and also showed the medals he won in sports. His parents were astonished on seeing the medals and certificates that he won in the school. The strength in his weakness. We all have some weakness. Sometimes that weakness is our strength. Here Agilan was an active and energetic boy. He liked sports and also studies. Sports and studies both were his eyes. So how can he choose any one? He had a passion for sports. Passion means strong emotion. So he mostly spent his evenings in the playground. Yes, if you like sports means what will you do? Yes, we want to practice in the playground only, isn't it? Yes. So like that, he also spent his evenings in the playground. And he remembered his father's words, that is, learn well and live well. Yes, if we learn well only, we can live well. So he used to study in the mornings. His physical education teacher was his inspiration. Physical education teacher means PET teacher. He was his role model. The teacher was good at judo. Judo means judo is a sport where one tried to unbalance the opponent by using arms and legs. His passion for learning judo grew every day. Every day he was showing more interest to learn judo. He was afraid that his interest in judo would upset his parents. If his parents knows that he is interested in sports, they may get upset. So he was afraid. Yes, some parents give more importance to studies. So finally one day he told to his parents about his passion for judo. And he showed the medals he won in sports. The parents were astonished. Astonished means stunned. And seeing the medals and certificate he won in the school. So children, how Agilan showed interest in sports and also in studies, like that you also have to show interest in both. Let us continue the lesson in the next video.